I can. You can. Green tomatoes can. This year, I'm starting to get into canning stuff. So that's doing the preserves and things like that. And I bought myself a canner. It's coming really handy because if you see my previous videos, you see that I got a little touch of blight on my tomatoes. And I've had to process all them. So what I've done with them is I pickled a lot of them. So I got these. This is green tomato hot dog relish. This is a half pint jar, and I got 6 jars of these. That's 3 pints, and it's very tasty. I also done some salsa verde. Again, 3 pints of this. Haven't tried this yet. Haven't opened it. I've done, of course, the ubiquitous green tomato chutney. Now I got, I think, 12 of these, 10 of these, sorry. So I've got 10 pints of that. This is a pint jar. And the latest round, I've done 8 jars of these, which are dill green tomatoes. Basically all the small cherry toms that hadn't grown properly, hadn't ripened in whole. And then, finally, I went and done 11 jars of green tomato relish. So these are what's happened to my tomatoes. I was hoping to be able to do things like chili con carne, or tomato sauce, or pasta sauce, but I haven't been able to do that this year. But next year I should hopefully have another chance. Well, that's not all I've done. I've been doing a few other things. I've done Boston baked beans. I got about 4 pints of them, or 6 pints of them, but I've eaten some. I've done pickled cucumbers. I've got 3 of them. I've done 10 jars of pickled onions. I've done 11 half pints of sweet corn. I'm not going to bother canning sweet corn. I think I eat it fresh what I grow, and everything else I'll just buy a bag for the freezer. I've done some courgette and summer squash pickle, and that was gorgeous. I've done rabbit stew, and that was absolutely fantastic. And of course, with carcasses, I went and done the rabbit stock. I've done blackcurrant cordial, and I've done some soup as well, which is pressure canned. So I can do pressure canning, and I can do steam bath canning, and I think I'm getting into it now. You know, so yeah, this is 5 different things that I've got from my green tomatoes, and I will be eating them years. You know, I mean, it should last at least a year once it's been canned, and possibly longer. And well, that's it. So if you've liked this, click like. If you haven't, well, say below in the comments. If you have, say below in the comments. Just leave a comment. Share it with your friends, and I will see you on my next video, and please click on that subscribe button. Okay, so ta-ra.